Hello friends, welcome you all once again on my channel, and today in this video I am going to do the adjectives in French. Yes friends, today we will do that how we can use the adjectives in French according to the nouns, its gender and number, right? So here we have the title of the question, placer les adjectifs et accorder les, right? It means to place the adjectives and agree them as per the number and gender of the noun, right? So here we have the first sentence, voilà une femme beau India. Here is a lady, beautiful Indian. Before solving this sentence, I want to tell you that in French, there are some rules for adjectives, how we can use them in sentence, right? So the rule is when we use the adjectives in French, the adjectives of colors, nationality, and shapes are used after noun, right? And rest of the adjectives, they are used before noun, right? So now we can do this sentence. Yes. So here the noun is feminine, right? So we change them accordingly. So beau changes into belle, B-double-L-E, and Indian becomes India becomes Indian. Okay, here we add extra any, right? So here we can write voilà une belle femme Indian, right? Voilà une belle femme Indian. Here is a beautiful Indian lady. Very good. Now sentence number 2, c'est une robe. This is a dress, long noir, long black, right? So it means this is a dress, long noir. So you see, robe is a feminine noun. Yeah, so here we change these adjectives accordingly. As I told you that color, adjectives of color comes after noun. Okay, so long becomes L-O-N-G-U-E, and noir becomes N-O-I-R-E. So here we can write c'est une longue robe noire. Yes friends, to make it feminine we add an extra E, right? So it means this is a long black dress. Yes, sexy long. Sentence number 3, c'est homme est debout sur le pont. Beau American. Yes, friends. It means this man is standing on the bridge. Form is bridge. Yes, please notice the vocab. Okay. Yes, beau, handsome, American. Yes. So here is one more rule, friends, which you can notice, please, in your notebook or elsewhere. Okay. And that is the rule is whenever a noun starts with vowel new H, we use B-E-A-B-E-L in place of beau, right? Beau is used for masculine noun. Here, om is also masculine, but it is also starting with H, right? So we use here a specific adjective that is B-E-L, bell, right? And American comes after om. And one more thing is there, you need to notice that C-E-T, demonstrative adjective, is comes before a vowel or mute H beginning noun. So here, when we use an adjective before this noun, the C-E-T replaced by C-E, right? Then we use simple C-E demonstrative adjective, right? C-E is used for masculine noun, okay? So now we can write ce bel homme américain est debout sur le pont. Right? Ce bel homme américain est debout sur le pont. Means this handsome man, this good-looking American man is standing on the bridge. Right, friends? I hope you understood. Now, sentence number 4. Voici des étudiants. Bon japonais. Here are students or some students. Bon japonais. Good Japanese. Here you see the noun is feminine plural, so we change the adjectives accordingly. B-O-N becomes B-O-N-N-E-S. In Japanese, we add extra E-S, okay, because we have to change it into feminine plural noun, right? So here is the answer. Voici the bon étudiant japonais, right? Here are some good Japanese students, right? So this way we can change the sentence. And one more thing you should notice that whenever any adjectives comes before content article, we change it into D. It means we don't use any content article before adjective, right? Yes. So here we have written this adjective before noun. So here we don't use this contacted article, right? DS here is a contacted article, so it becomes simple preposition DE, right? Yeah. So it means there are some good students here. There are some good Japanese students. Very good. Number 5, cette chambre est très sale. This room is very dirty. Small, carré, square, right? So chambre is a feminine noun. So here we change it into feminine. Yeah, here both the adjectives we add an extra E, right? Yes, friends. With carré we also add an extra E. However, it is ending with E, but we still add an extra E because whenever any adjective ends with E accent, be careful. Whenever any adjective ends with E accent, we need to add an extra E to make it feminine, right? So please be careful and note down this rule. Cette petite chambre carrée est très sale. Yes, it means this small square bedroom is very dirty. Very good, friends. So we have completed 5 sentences. Now we are going to do sentence number 6. J'achète une voiture. Nouveau, noir. It means I am buying a car, new, black, right? So here, voiture is a feminine noun. So we change the noun into the adjective into feminine form. Nouveelle, and for noir we add extra e, right? Now we can write, yes, j'achète une nouvelle voiture noir. Okay, I am buying a new black car. Very good. Now sentence number 7. La maison a une cuisine grande rectangulaire. The house has a kitchen big rectangular. Cuisine is a feminine noun, so here we change the words into feminine, grand plus e, and rectangular remains same because it is ending with e, right? So we can write la maison a une grande cuisine rectangulaire. Right? The house has a big rectangular kitchen. This is how we use and change the adjectives. Okay, number 8. Elle achète une poupée jolie Alsacien. She buys a puppy pretty and Alsatian. So puppy is a feminine noun. So here we change the adjectives Joli plus e, Alsacie double ne, right? So we can change it this way. Now we can write the answer. Elle achète une jolie poupée Alsatian, right? She buys a pretty Alsatian puppy. Good. Now the sentence number 9. C'est une table. This is a table. Petit, small, étroit, narrow. Table is feminine, so petit and étroit becomes feminine. With both the words, we add an extra e, right? Now the answer is c'est une table étroit. Right, friends? As I told you that adjectives of shape we use after noun, right? Very good. This is a small, narrow table. Now sentence number 10. Il y a des bijoux dans la boîte. Beau cher. There are some jewels in the box. Yeah, beautiful and costly. So bijou is a masculine plural. So we change it accordingly. Beau plus x, cher plus s. Okay. Here we add extra s because with eau ending noun or adjectives, we add an extra e to make it plural. Right. So this is one more rule for you. So whenever you see eau ending noun or adjective, so you need to add an extra x to make it plural, masculine plural. Okay. And cher plus s. Okay. So we can write il y a the beaux bijoux cher dans la boîte. Right. It means there are beautiful, costly jewels in the box, right? And here ds becomes d, as I told you that content articles are not used before adjective. Okay, so here we have used an adjective before bijou, so ds becomes de, ds replaced by de. So here we use a simple preposition. Okay, yes. So this is how we can change these sentences, and we can use the appropriate form of adjectives. And so this is enough for this video, friends, and I hope you like this video. If you really find this video useful, please share it with your friends and the people who really need this kind of information. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any query, any question in your mind, if you want to take online French classes, please comment us below in comment box and we will happy to respond you. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video and thanks for your kind support.